Beautiful. I'm reporting live from Mantova, Italy. That's my brother-in-law. Say hi, hello.
Hello.
Hello. We are reporting from Mantova. I am going grocery shopping. Yeah. I was supposed to buy all these things in Switzerland, but as soon as we go, even Gaga, we beg about Bobrig, about you know, see, we crossed the border in Switzerland to buy things cheap. So how much more meat that is coming to Italy? At least it's still cheaper than Switzerland. In Switzerland, this is the shit. This is the shit about Italy. Now. Oh, 99. Wow. Okay, we'll better get here. Maybe 3 francs or maybe 1 franc 99. I check them more pepperoni. Pepper. Paprika. Ojarikos. Mana we use. Can we take tomatoes some other? Anyway, this man's she rice in there. I had to go him together. Can I check on her channel? We'll take it tonight. I got onions for 99 cents. Here in Maria Meko. Oberego. Typically, we come. They can with test. Karandeka. Olo, they can have one for the donut. Happening, you didn't know. I need a number. I think it's one thing. Look at it. I like the color. Green, they work a lot of things. I want to bring notes. No. I don't have to. It's not. I'm not talking about it. I'm not doing it. I can mix in the land. Okay. We have done Nazi. I want to keep it here. I got it back. I think I had to make a scale. I'm going to be. Let's step down here. I'm doing Italian. I'm going to translate. That translates to that too. Six to 12 years. So, can we train them? Then, Chazia Makazubu. Gini kunna was 0 to 1 year.
You got to invest small one like this one, like this to buy like this.
Yes, no, we're about to have to oh, where are we here? Come back. Here, pineapple. I don't know. I like a move. I let the head go there again. Dinka. The one I am. The guy has come and see husband material. You see? Yo, Bobby, husband material helping me to unbox, to offload. I won't believe it. So these are the things back. Shopping in Italy. First shopping in Italy done. See, I bought a whole lot of this. See, look at this receipt. As long as it is, and everything is just 26 euro. According to German, they say it's euro or 26 euro. In Switzerland, if you should buy something long like this, you should be expected to spend at least 50 francs. Oberego. One naira.
That's how we roll, nigga.
Hey! Hey, it's like it. But the funny thing is those here, you know, because in Swiss they earn more. Even like we drove from Milan to the place where we are for 2 hours and we paid only 17. I remember paying just 17 francs for the ticket. It's like, imagine 2 hours in Swiss. Just driving from my neighborhood to the central, to Zurich Zurich Main City. Costs about 17 francs as well, so you can imagine. But then those here will tell you because they earn less, so they spend less. In Swiss, we earn more and spend more, even though it's still not enough. But at least it's good when you cross the border, you spend less and buy more. Woo!
What of you gonna Napoli?
In Swiss, you can never see something like this. I'm out here taking a stroll in the streets of Italia. That's the sea or the river over there, I don't know what it's called. And this is my tour guide. He's the one taking me around.
It's joke.
Learning from the ninja kids.
Hey, but he gets it. Hey, but he probably get away. Get the other kid for sleep.
Mommy,
Can you see the beautiful sunsets? So beautiful. So beautiful. 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 Now this is, we are here out on the streets of Italia doing PDA. I am definitely a pain in his ass, I know, but I'll keep doing it. It is my job and I'll keep doing it. Say hi. Say hi. Naka, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Wow. Say hi. Give me that one. Say hi. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to take your tablet to that. Hey guys, so we are in a bus. Hey guys. Huh? So that's my tour guide behind. We must say hello. Very happy. So we are heading to his house. He said the name is Cirese. I hope I got it right. Okay, part of Mantova. Okay, it's Cirese in Mantova. And by the way, this particular city of Mantova is the place where Romeo was banished to. Romeo was banished to this place after he killed somebody during, I don't know if you can remember the story in Romeo and Juliet, you should know what I'm talking about. So we are currently in the bus heading there, and he said this is a stadium. Since I've been here, I can tell you some differences between this place and Switzerland. Like almost all the houses here are fenced. Look. Like they are fenced in Switzerland, we are not fenced anything fence. No fence. Even if there are fences, they are just very small. And most times the gates are usually open. You just open the gates and then you walk into the house. Then you press the bell right on the wall of the house. But here, the bells are situated outside the gate because they are always locked. So you can't get inside. So if you're coming to someone's house, you have to stay outside and press the bell, and then you open from inside. And something else is that the houses here are quite spacious compared to the ones we have in Switzerland as well. Like the kitchen is quite spacious. And one funny thing, I don't know what they call that thing, but it's like a lot of them you see. I will insert the pictures here. You will see it in the bathroom. When I saw it, I asked what's this thing for. And then my brother-in-law told me that that particular thing is built. You will see it in every house in this city. The whole of it, you will see that particular stuff. Where people who don't feel like the internet can watch their bum, or maybe they can watch babies bum after cooking or whatever. You say some people can wake up in the morning without having anything to wish. around wishing to have their bath, because they get inside that place, watch football, and off they go. And another thing is, this place is like an advanced Nigeria, I must say. Just yesterday, we were at the train station and we saw two guys. They were trying to destroy the vending machine, probably because maybe they wanted to buy something and it seized their money got stuck. Instead of them to call the authorities responsible for that, they just tried to break it. This one, like, people were all gathered at the train station and they were doing. So I was like, if they could do this when people are here, how much more in the night? Even like if it comes to the train station, almost every train station in Switzerland has a machine where you can buy your ticket, a ticket machine, but it's not the same thing here. Here they don't even have any. Most times you just enter the train, you go to the person, the conductor of the train, and pay for your ticket, because he said if they should, like they had before, but people come to destroy this machine for money, or maybe let me say if their money should get stuck in the machine, they wouldn't get it. Instead of them, they don't have that patience to call the authorities. I remember one time last year, my money got stuck. I just called the authorities and they told me they would return my money. And of course, I did get the money, even though it came as a good shine, like as a gift card. I can only use it for purchasing my tickets, for purchasing another ticket for the train station. Here is another thing altogether. The other day, I saw some people crossing the traffic, whether it was right or they don't. Once they look and they don't see any kind of like, what happens to people? They are making him confused and whatnot have you. But all the same, I'm enjoying it. I'm having a great time here, and I also hope you're also enjoying my videos so far. And let's keep going. Let me show you how to Italy.
Mommy, that's a way.
Nandi, that's it. We were just walking down and we saw this playground. This park is really beautiful and windy. It's airy, not windy. Unlike in Switzerland, it will be scorching, really hot, but you hardly see air. You hardly feel the air coming. But this one is just very airy here. It's so beautiful. I can assure you, Italy has its own beauties. Aside the historical background and the history or the heritage, they also have beautiful places like here, this park, even the streets. Like since we started moving towards the street, is really beautiful. And let me show you. My sons are over there having a great time playing. Let me go and show you. My daughter is here making up. We got her a set of makeup brush yesterday, and since then she has not been doing any other thing, just carrying her makeup. Adha, what are you doing? You're making up.
Yeah.
Sama hukula hepa. What do you have there? Your brush set.
Yeah.
Oh, very. But anyway, it's good. It's good. So far, so good. Oh, this place is beautiful, like the trees, the way they are planted. Although my brother said they were just planted recently. It's really good. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This is me signing out of this vlog, and I hope to see you in the next one. Keep watching. Don't go nowhere. It's about to get juicier, okay? Mwah.